In a sunny meadow lived a hungry cat. She spotted a clever rat nibbling cheese. "I'll catch you today," thought the cat slyly. The rat saw the cat approaching quietly. Quickly, the rat bolted behind a tree. The cat pounced but caught only air. Annoyed, the cat continued her stalking. The crafty rat hid under a fallen leaf. The cat sniffed, unsure where the rat was. "I'll be patient," thought the determined cat. The rat cleverly found a tiny hole nearby. Safe inside, he peeked out at the cat. The cat, tired, dozed off under the sun. "Outsmarted again," the cat sighed, half awake.